What's up everybody, Vin for Finished Basements here. We're in a beautiful basement, it's about 1,000 square feet. Standing in this beautiful bar area, we have an island, back bar, upper shelving, cabinets on the left and right. We actually added a pop-up outlet in the island, just so that there's not outlets around. Cabinets on the bottom of the island, there's seating all around it. We got a sink, a nice fridge on the bottom over here. Got a Keurig coffee machine, pretty cool bar area, and we continued the countertop onto the backsplash as well, so it came out really, really cool. Coming over to here, we have a nice little sitting area, little hangout spot. Homeowners thinking of maybe doing a pool table in the future, so we left them a good amount of space on each side. This is the main area. We have a nice half wall we tied into this column. We built a fake column on the other side to match this one. We have this closet right here. It's just for storage, and then we have another closet in the back for a pump. But we did this half wall right here to hide the back of the couch. Coming into the main area is the nice little TV lounge area. We got this nice sized TV, nice couch that goes around here. We did the LEDs with the tray. It's actually a pretty tough thing to do, to line up all those LEDs, make them perfectly straight throughout the whole area. So we did the crown molding to hide the LEDs as well. So coming over to here, we have a fake panel on the left, and then we have this hidden door right here that leads into a storage room, unfinished area. It came out really, really nice. And then into this bathroom, it's actually an ADA approved bathroom, so each door is 36 inches wide. For a wheelchair to get in, it's very accessible. We have this door right here, 2 entrances to get in. We got a nice vanity, toilet. This shower we actually did right here is a curbless shower. Again, for ADA approved, so that there's no curb and you could wheel right into here. We have this panel door right here. It leads into the pump for the bathroom. So we hid that in this here. And then coming out to over here is the bedroom. This is also ADA approved too. Homeowner has their father, he's on a wheelchair, so we made it accessible as possible. We have a nice TV right here, little TV stand, couch for him to sleep on. We're gonna do a bed maybe too, and we actually added this egress window right here to call it a legal bedroom, and then we have a closet right there. And then making our way out back where we started, we opened up the stairs. We had a column existing here. We removed it and did a post, and we actually have this chairlift right here. So it's easy for him to come up and down the stairs. It's controlled by a button, and he could actually control it on his stairs too, or on his chair. So it's pretty cool. Really, really nice, came out awesome. So thank you.